Hi guys, today I will show you how to connect Zapier with Facebook leads. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to zapier.com, log in using user credentials and you will see the dashboard. On your dashboard, click on the create button at the top left. Now select Zaps. After that, you will see this page where you'll have to click on this trigger button and select Facebook leads. Now, you will see a page that will look something like this on your right. In this, choose a trigger event. So I'm going to choose new lead, and in the account section, you'll have to log in with your Facebook account. Click on this three-dotted icon if you have an account and want to edit it. Select edit connection name and add another account. So basically, log in with the Facebook leads ads account and click on continue. Now you'll be on configuration page where you'll have to select this page option and choose your Facebook lead page. In the form section, you can select any value for the form. I'm going to skip it and click on continue. Now you can click on test trigger and see how your lead generation is working. Now in the action tab, click anywhere and search for Google Sheets or click on it. Now you will see app as Google Sheets on this. Now choose an action event by clicking here and select an account for this and click on continue. Now in the drive section, choose the value for your drive. I'm going to choose my Google Drive and select a spreadsheet containing the worksheet to copy. So I'm going to select this spreadsheet. I will select worksheet to copy. I will choose sheet 1 and click on copy worksheet destination and select another one. Now click on continue and our setup and configuration has been finished. So we are on this test page. You can click on test step and see if your integration is working or not. Now you can click on publish button and your Zap will go live. As you can see, my Zap is on. So that's how you can connect Zapier with Facebook leads. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.